In the next video, I'm going to show you how to easily do the process of customizing and editing the footer section of the Shopify store. So today, let's focus, of course, into the Shopify store we signed in. Once we navigate into the left part that says Online Store, let's scroll a little bit down until we find the themes. Now, click here into the custom theme, the current theme that we are using. Just in case you wanted to make any changes, I can totally suggest you to go for the three dots and duplicate it. Once you duplicate it, you have now the previous version of what you had before. So just in case you wanted to go back for of what you had before. So duplicated elements are actually going to be really helpful. Now let's locate it now the customized ones you have now the backup of my website. Now to get started, of course, here into the theme editor, you'll see various sections on the left side bar here. You can scroll down and click into the footer. So here I do have the footer. I clicked into this footer and you can see here is the specific part of my Shopify element, which in this case is the footer. So here you can customize the footer by adding or removing links and menus. You can update the text for sections like the contact us. You can add links to important pages such as the shipping policy. Of course, we can show social media icons, the country regions, the language selector, payment method, policy links, spacing, theme settings, and even we can add images and a custom CSS. So we can add social media icons if your theme supports social media. For example, here as you can see in this folder, we don't have any social media. So if I go for the theme settings here, and here for example I go for Facebook, let's say that I go for https facebook.com. Now for this example, I'm going to type Shopify because we currently don't have an actual social media of the Facebook, but you can see here it is the actual logo, and you can of course select any specific image for that element. So here's the theme element, rebuild section on scroll, or you can just hide it. Now into Instagram, I can do exactly the same thing. I'm going to paste this Instagram. And once you added an actual valid URL, check out how the logos appear automatically. Now it actually works for me. And do exactly the same thing, but let's say now into the YouTube. Now I have three icons that I can use though. So as you can see here, we do have the logo of my branding. I can make this a little bit smaller because this is just a folder. There we go, it looks so much greater. Now into my spacing, I'm going to try to make the top heading a little bit bigger and the bottom padding less bigger, like that. There we go. Now here what you can do into the custom CSS is to import a specific element. I'm going to be doing this at the moment. I'm going to change the actual color of my footer. Since I have white colors, let's say that I want to add a dark color. For that, let's focus into theme settings, and here I'm going to type colors. So as you can see, I have 4, 5, 6 different schemes that I can use for all of my elements and sections of my website. If I click into a specific section, for example the footer, I have here the scheme number 3. I'm going to hit into change and select one scheme that I currently have, and of course that I'm using. If you want to change a specific scheme, then go for edit. And you can change the background gradient, the text, the solid button background, solid button label, outline button, shadows, and much more. In this case, I think this one actually works for me, so I can click once again into the footer. So this one can be setting me into the editor of the footer element. And even I can add a new block into my footer. For example, I can add brand information. So what about the branding information, you might be saying? So I can show social medias, I can edit brand info or delete itself. So here I can go for edit brand info, and I can add more logos. I can add stuff about the typography, the headlines, the animations, button, and much more. So in this case, this brand info is not working for me, so I think that I'm gonna just click it, remove it, and leave it as it is. You can also add custom content to the folder, like your store logo, trust badges down here. We can delete, show what you want to do. For example, show the email sign up, displayed automatically. So once you have made all the changes, it's important to preview your footer not only as a desktop view but as a mobile view as well. So you want to make sure this one actually looks great. 80% of your customers, I can totally tell you that all of 80% of your customer might come into the mobile version. So you want to check that out, the mobile version, the full screen. And well, with that being said, you might be ready to receive the customers. So click into save, click into publish when you're happy, and that's how you edit your Shopify store footer. And now you have a customized footer with important links, social media icons, and even payment methods. So you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more video elements here at Shopify. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hopefully we can all see you next time.